Here are the keys to my 2021 Jeep Trackhawk, a 707 horsepower dig monster SUV that weighs as much as a school bus. And well, I've owned this thing for about 2 weeks and it's literally been the best 2 weeks of my life. And for those who didn't know, this Jeep has, well, 6.2 liter supercharged V8 producing 707 horsepower. It's kind of crazy that it's just a regular old Jeep. If you don't know about cars, then you really don't know what this is. It looks like a regular Jeep and it blends in with the rest of the traffic, and that's why I love this thing, because some cops don't know what this is. So if they ever pull me over for speeding, I'm like, dude, it's a regular Jeep. You really think I was doing 150 miles per hour? But in all seriousness, we're gonna be taking this thing out to do some point of view driving so you can see what it's like to be behind the wheel of a Trackhawk. And I really hope you use this video to manifest yourself being behind the wheel of this thing, and hopefully one day you get to experience what it's like to be behind the wheel of a Jeep Trackhawk. It's the most amazing feeling, and today you will see that on my face during the entire time of driving this thing. I'm gonna put it in track mode. So here are the driving modes. Everything is in track, from transmission to suspension. It's in all-wheel drive mode. Everything is on red. Let's click here. Go to the performance pages. So we got an open road ahead of us. So we're gonna do a quick 0 to 60 for you guys. Let's turn the AC off. Traction is off as well. That's gonna take a fat minute to load. So we're just gonna, oh, actually it did load. So here are the timers. Okay. So the 0 to 60 is, where is it? Huh. I don't know where the 0 to 60 is. That's the 60 foot. Quarter miles right here. Is there, I don't know. I don't know where the 0 to 60 is. I think we could just pop it up here. So let's go 1500 RPMs. That was a lot of spinning. That was a lot of spinning. Let's see what 0 to 60 we got. Look at that. A Ferrari. What the heck? Okay, so that last one was a 3.5. I think we could get a lot faster. I don't know why it spun so much. Okay, let's go this way and do another 0 to 60. This road looks a lot better. Yeah. Okay, we'll do it here. Okay. 1500 again. That was a 3.4. That's pretty good. All right, let's turn around. Okay, that's enough. All right. That's not bad at all. That is not bad. It's spinning so much. I wonder if we put it in sport mode, it does anything differently. So let's throw it in sport mode here and do another 0 to 60. Just one last one. No, that was a 3.6. Yeah, no, that's not it. I think it wasn't shifting as aggressive in sport mode, so we're gonna just take it off. We put it back in track mode. The downshifting is just f***ing insane. Like, that's my favorite part about this, is like it just so aggressive. traffic ahead of us. Let them move out the way. Brakes on this thing are really good. It definitely slows down this heavy SUVD real quick. And by the way, you don't even feel like you're going fast. Like, it drives so smooth. And we are in track mode, so it's the most aggressive mode that you have. You definitely feel all the bumps. You feel everything on the road. So I've owned just about every Hellcat that's ever been made, from the regular Hellcat Challenger to the regular Hellcat Challenger, and then the Challenger Hellcat Red Eye, and then the Charger Hellcat Red Eye, and then even the TRX, which is a Ram truck that has a Hellcat motor in it. That's insane. I owned that for about a year and a half. So I've experienced with all type of Hellcats, and now owning the Trackhawk, I can truly honestly say this is the best Hellcat out there, from the Challengers, Chargers, and then the Durango Hellcat. I haven't ever owned that, but I'm not really a big fan of that. I've driven it, and I still think that the Trackhawk is the best Hellcat, and here's why. It can do everything really well. It performs really well, 0 to 60 in 3.4 seconds. You just witnessed that with spinning, okay? And it's hot as hell out there, and the DA is over 2200. So put that all into consideration. We still ran a 3.4 0 to 60. It's, I believe, like a 11 second, like a low 11 second SUV in the quarter mile. That's insane. Most regular cars can't even do that. Yet you have a 6,000 pound SUV doing that. Also, you could drive it in the snow, in the rain, no matter what type of weather conditions are out there. This is the truck to drive. You could also fill it in with all your friends or even girlfriends. It can really do everything well, and it drives so smooth. That's my favorite part. You don't feel like you're in a 700 horsepower SUV. You feel like you're in a sports car. Thank you, sir. Have no idea how smooth this thing feels to drive. You can't even feel that it's going so fast, and I know I keep emphasizing on that, but it's just crazy that you have a 6,000 pound SUV and you're driving so fast in it, yet it feels so smooth as if it's a sports car. Like, there aren't many SUVs that you could get that performance, yet it's so comfortable, you know? Maybe like a Lamborghini Urus, but that's a $300,000 car. So it's cool to do it in a $100,000 car. So we're gonna downshift and do a pull for you guys. Okay. We'll go from third gear. The biggest smile on my face, and it's so smooth I don't even have to have my hands on the steering wheel. That's how smooth this truck is. It just goes straight. Now let's hear some downshifts. Okay, one more. Okay, let's do one more. This is gonna be a brutal one. Oh my god. hope at some point in your life, you guys all get to experience driving a Trackhawk. It's super important. You just have to. You won't get it unless you drive it, you know. You sometimes will forget that you're in an SUV. You're like, okay, I'm just in a sports car, because this thing moves like a sports car. One more. All right, what the heck, we'll do one more. They're just brutal. Mind you, this thing is 100% stock. It's not gonna remain stock, obviously. I'm gonna probably do a upper, lower pulley, injectors, E85, tune it, even a trans tune. It already downshifts so crazy. Imagine throwing a trans tune on this thing. What the heck, one more pull. Alright, that's enough. Up, there's way too much wind. Oh, we got a hill here. Woo! All right. Nice road here. Oh man, what is that? Oh, that's a Lucid. As you can see, if you were to ever own one of these, you'd be downshifting all day long because it just sounds so good. Now we're gonna let the Hawk cool down because we just beat the living heck out of this thing for the past hour. But I just want to take this time to thank every single one of you guys for your support. You guys have been killing it with the views as of lately, and it's probably because of this. You guys love the Mopar content, and it kind of went away for a little while, but I brought it back because you guys were literally just begging me for Mopar content. Well, it's here, and you guys have been showing tremendous support, and I just want to say, without you guys, I'm not able to do the things I do. I'm not able to buy my dream cars. I'm not able to live my dream life. Nothing is possible without you guys. I want to emphasize on that. Like, without a fan base like y'all, I can't do the things I do. And I'm never gonna take you guys for granted, which is why I love making content, because it's all for you guys. Yes, it makes me happy to make content, but it also makes me happy to have people that take the time out of their day and their energy to support me. That's a great feeling, you know? So I love you guys. Thank you guys for watching. We got so many plans for the Hawk. First thing we're gonna be doing is probably wrapping this thing because I hate it being black. And we got 3 choices for colors. We got green, orange, or blue. Actually 4, purple. So 4 choices. Let me know which color I should wrap it. I want to leave the yellow brakes, so whichever one of those colors would look good with the yellow brakes. And then after we finish with all the cosmetic mods, we're gonna tackle the performance mods and make this thing 1,000 horsepower. But I love you guys. Thank you guys for everything, and I will never ever take you guys for granted, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.